probably about 500 kilometers or more from north to south. So every year when the rainy season starts, a lot of water flows into the Pantanal very rapidly. The actual rainfall in the Pantanal is so low compared to the amount of water that it holds that if it's depression, it would probably be a desert since the rainfall is smaller than the evaporation rate that we get over there.
I think she's from Rio.
Tropical kingbird. An old friend.
Yeah.
Let's go on some more here. Slide open if you want to open a crack to take photos. Howler's diet consists 92% of leaves.
My little palm tree here, and between the back.
Arrived at our large reception committee.
Ajuda eles, tá bom?
Yeah. Paella Pantanal.
Ah, thank you.
Binoculars here, anybody?
Sure. I got it.
It's an example in North America of how drug use doesn't have to be automatically a bad thing.
No, in Israel, I know in Peru, there are some centers, some rehab centers, they use ayahuasca.
Pretty nice birding venue, wouldn't you say? One of the world's great birds there, the laughing falcon. It's a cuckoo calling.
And who's the little guy behind him?
Largest macaw or parrot in the world.
Is that your third or fourth trip under the fort?
Our Dev's 800th Brazilian bird.
What's the poop?
Yeah, thank you. I've been watching. We're off. That falcon. Spine-tail. There he is.
It's coming in here.
The colored plover also walking on the beach.
Colored plover.
Those holes are made by catfish during the wet season and used by kingfishers for nesting.
Those are Oropendula's nest in the back tree there on the right-hand side. There's a pair of Oropendulas displaying next to the nests there. They're starting their nesting season now. They're building the nest. There.
Oh.
Should swim out.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Black cat, don't go here.
At around 11 o'clock.
Lover.
Species.
Yes.
That's a
I thought this was dirty now.
Ring kingfisher.
That's cliff swallow.
He wants a piece of that catfish.
Tails and big flat tails like a huge.
It's a rest stop on the river. I'm gonna have fish action out there.
Salinho, puxar a poita.
There's an otter nest in there, and the young are screaming.
You see any of the babies? I just heard them. When the bears came up, there was one out. Well,
Wonderful.
As soon as he cuts it down, they can go.
Caracara got a little bit.
Look who's late to the party.
We must commence listing. Put your dad somewhere. Order. Huh? Not at all. No. I can do this thing.
No, you can't.
Oh, give it, try me. Of our captivity.
All right.
Jaguar.
Are you talking about anything?
Probably a
besides
local
Jaguar?
fisherman's.
Negrinho. Go to the highest leaves. There's sort of a gap at 12 o'clock. Go left.
Fantail antbird.
He's fast.
It's a screamer.
What's this over here?
There it goes.
tiger heron back there.
Have you ever seen an ocelot on this?
Seen it on the main road.
There's just a love match going on here.
That's a promenade.
Yeah.
Hard playing, hard to get. Said, don't tread on me.
Have you here?
Great to be here.
Chestnut eared arisaries. Bridges down here, 128 or something on it.
Two, 3 feet left of the dead center of the bush.
Yes. Higher low. Light.
Yeah, right above the dot there.
Got some in his mouth.
Yeah, he's got some food there.
It is free.
Here we go. Pale-crested peckers and Pavonine cuckoos, Columbius ibis, a pair of great putus, band-tailed night hawks with moons on their wings, fish-catching bats also doing their thing. Go! Ho, toot, toot, ho, toot, toot, ho, toot, toot, ho. We watched the tanagers, conebills, display flight. A few large-billed terns acted private in plain sight. 2 white-wedged piculets perched on a branch. Flame-crested mannequins gave us a glance. Seriemas, toko toucans, hyacinth macaws. We heard southern screamers while hiking about, finding prints of the jaguar's paws. Ready, go! Good, stop. Birds with umbrellas and